Okay. Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Kumpulan kami akan membentangkan tentang application of law industry. Sebenarnya, ini adalah ahli kumpulan kami. Bermula dari saya sendiri, Muhammad Khairul Hakimi bin Muhammad Samsuddin. Seterusnya, Muhammad Khairul Aiman bin Kamaluddin. Dan akhir sekali, Muhammad Amir Koyu bin Muhammad Noor. Ini adalah table of counting kami. Bermula daripada introduction, flow industry, boiler component, flow processing, role of steam boiler in flow processing, conclusion, dan last sekali, reference. Introduction. A boiler, also known as a steam boiler, is closed vessel in which fluid, typically water, is heated. The fluid does not necessarily boil. The heated or vaporized fluid exists in the boiler for use in various process or heating applications, such as cooking, water or central heating, or boiler-based power generation. Boiler, or more specifically steam boiler, are an essential part of thermal power plant. The basic working principle of the boiler is very simple and easy to understand. The boiler is essentially a closed vessel inside which water is stored. Fuel, generally coal, is burned in the furnace and hot gas are produced. Flour industry. Flour is a finely ground powder prepared from grain or other starchy plant food and used in baking. Although flour can be made from wide variety of plants, the vast majority is made from wheat. Dough made from wheat flour is particularly well suited for baking bread because it contains a large amount of gluten, a substance composed of strong and elastic protein. The gluten forms a network throughout the dough, trapping the gas which are formed by yeast, baking powder or other leavening agents. This causes the dough to rise, resulting in light and soft bread. Seterusnya saya serahkan kepada Muhammad Khairul Aiman.
Saya teruskan dengan boiler component. A set of two or process units that are a part of a boiler. Each component has a different function and is connected to other components according to its process flow. Name of component boiler. Nama-nama dalam component boiler iaitu first makeup water heater, then deaerator, economizer, steam and mud drum, superheater boiler, attemperature condensate system. Okey, seterusnya saya akan terangkan flow processing. First sekali adalah proses dia grading the raw material. Once the wheat grains are receiving to the flour mill, it is tested for various physical and chemical qualities and graded on several factors, but mostly on their protein content. The wheat is stored in silos until the next process. Second, purifying the wheat. Before the wheat grains are transferred into a flour mill, the grain need to free from any unwanted foreign particles. This requires grains to undergo various cleaning processes. After each cleaning process, the grains are checked and if necessary, the process is repeated again. Proses seterusnya ialah preparing the wheat grains for grinding. The purified wheat grains are washed in warm water and dried in a centrifugal pump. The remaining impurities are washed away in this process. Proses yang keempat, grinding the wheat in flour mills. Wheat of different grades and moisture is blended together to make the kind of flour they are manufacturing. The wheat grains are spun against metal pins in a device called intulator. The grains which cracks are considered unsuitable for flour manufacturing and are separated. Proses last sekali ialah processing the wheat flour in flour mills. Few amounts of additives are added since the nutrients are lost during commercial flour milling. Bleaching and oxidizing agent are added to it to give good baking properties. Vitamins and minerals are added to make the flour more enriched. Seterusnya, saya serahkan kepada Qayyum.
Seterusnya ialah role of steam boilers in flour processing. The equipment used in flour milling is thoroughly cleaned using hot steam and ultraviolet light. The equipment is also treated with antibacterial agents and antifungal agents to kill any microscopic organism which might contaminate it. Hot water is used to remove any remaining traces of these agents. The last one is conclusion. A steam boiler is a steam-producing heating system. It produces energy by heating water to create steam. A steam boiler burns fuel to heat water. The combination of heat and water produces steam. Steam boilers are defined by their construction, portability, types of tubes, types of fuel, and the pressure they produce. A steam boiler absorbs heat that is released from combustion. The three ways that the heat is transferred are radiation, convection, and conduction. The designs and types of steam boilers widely vary depending on their construction and purpose. This is our reference. Thank you.